Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, and today's video is going to be on one of the new Oden's eye palettes. So here is the Jewels and Gem palette right here. It's absolutely beautiful. Hopefully y'all can get a good look at that. Let me just bring that up a little closer. And then here is the inside of this beautiful, beautiful palette right here. And I also have the Stone and Rock palette, which this is the packaging on that one. And then here is the inside of this one. It's really funny. At first I was thinking the Jewels and Gem would have been my favorite, but now the more I'm looking at it, like, I am just loving those green grungy shades and the Stone and Rock palette right here. So I think I'm gonna start off with, man, which one do I want to use first? I don't know, you guys. Oh, and here's just a look at them together, if I can do this and not break them, spill them, whatever. So here's what they look like together. Hopefully y'all can see that, get a good look at them. Of course, there's going to be a video dedicated to each one. Let's, you know, I'm going to start off with the Stone and Rock palette. And again, this is the one we're going to use today. There's just something about those green shades that are just getting me. And I have to use them. So, let's see what we can do with this beautiful Stone and Rock palette by Oden's Eye. Looking for my brush cleaner. Okay. So I want to start out with the shade. Let's start with the shade Exuberance, which is this shade right here. Yeah, I ordered these when they were first released, and I just got them yesterday. So it's the beginning of June. I think today is like June 3rd, I think, or June 4th. To be completely honest, I've kind of lost track of the days. But yeah, I feel like it took a while for them to get here. But I'm glad that I got them, and they arrived safely, no issues. Okay, this is a pretty grungy green, which, of course, you know, I love. And yes, it's hot AF, you guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna be like October before it cools off here. So, I'm just doing my best. I did just order like a fan that is supposed to be like really, really quiet. So I'm hoping maybe there's some way I can run it somewhere in the basement to where I can at least feel some breeze or something. Because right now it is just stagnant hot air, and that is just not something that I am enjoying whatsoever. And I don't want to go like 6 months without filming because it's hot as heck, you know? So I've got to try and figure something out. Because it sucks when you come up with like a cute look and then you're just so sweaty and gross by the time you're done that you're like, I don't even want to do anything anymore. I don't even, you know, it's not fun. Not fun at all. All right. I just feel like there's like sweat dripping off me already, and I can like tell a difference in how luminous I'm looking, but y'all, it's sweat. It is just straight up sweat. It is hot. Okay. Now I want to take, what do I want to take? Let's take the shade Madness right here. And let's just start putting that a little lower underneath that first shade and just a little bit on that lid. Let's just kind of blend it all together. This is like such a pretty green shade. That is beautiful. All right. Now we're gonna go in with some NYX glitter glue, because we got to get into these like shimmer shades. We have to. Like one, I'm sweating so much I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to be able to handle filming. And two, these shades just look really, really pretty. So we are going to go in with the shade Passion right here. Because like I'm hoping this is just going to be bright green and just beautiful. Oh, yes it is. Oh. That is so pretty. So pretty. We're just gonna go all over the lid with that. That is just so beautiful. Like, so beautiful. All right, I love that. Y'all already know I'm a shimmer girl. Give me shimmers all day long. I have to take some shivers right now because it's hot, but we're talking about shimmer shadows. That is beautiful. That is just, it's fun. It's bright. It's green. I love it. I know it doesn't take much to make me happy, but just let it be known that that green shimmer shade is just everything. And I am really, really enjoying it. Okay, now we're just gonna do the same thing with the other eye. Again, just that green shade Passion right there. It's just going all over the lid because it's that beautiful. It is that beautiful. So, so pretty. Like, just, can you see that? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's just so beautiful. So much fun. I just I am like loving. I love how that looks. Like, I'm like, do I want to add something to it? But I kind of don't, because it's just so pretty. It's just, I mean, I know it's like not anything like crazy. It's just beautiful. I do need to do the lower lash line though. So let's see what we can do with that. I think I want to take the shade Cheer, which is this shade up here, right there, for that lower lash line to start out. All right. And then for that lower inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this shade Frenzy, which is this shade right here. Which is just absolutely beautiful. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go throw on some mascara and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. And I don't know, I'm loving these greens. Again, this is a Stone and Rock palette by Oden's Eye. And here's a picture of the back of the palette, or a picture of you. I've been really missing photography lately, so that's where my heart's at, and it just can't be there. So here's the inside of this beautiful palette. Obviously, this is like heavy green, grungy tones. So if you're not into that, this palette probably isn't for you. But if you are into that, like, you will absolutely, sorry, there's like something. I've got like a hair or something itching my face. If you are into those green, grungy tones, you would absolutely adore this palette like I do. So it's kind of where it's at. It's just, what kind of color stories are you into? Do you have palettes that have similar tones? Trying to think. Like, I know I have some with some green tones. I'm thinking the Earthy palette by Beauty Bay. Oh my gosh, you guys, time out. Give me a second. Anyway, but yeah, I'm thinking like maybe like the Beauty Bay Earthy palette would have similar green, grungy tones in it. I have that palette. I just am not sure where it's at right now. But that's something that I'm thinking might be similar to it. That's what's coming to my mind right now. But yeah, I enjoyed it, you guys. It's beautiful. I love the Oden's Eye formula. The shimmers are stunning. It seems like there are a lot of heavy green tone palettes coming out these days. So I'm glad that I picked this one up because it definitely more suits me. But, you know, whatever y'all, if you're into that and, you know, you think you would like this palette, I definitely pick it up. I don't believe it's limited edition. So that's it for today. Thank y'all so much. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. You're loved. You're amazing. Thank y'all so much for supporting this channel, for giving this video a thumbs up, commenting down below, subscribing to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Just thank y'all so much. It means so much to me, and I will see y'all in the next one.